All right, hey guys, it's Ian with Little Dirty Diggers. I am doing a little creek walk this afternoon. Grandma Christie's got the little grandson, and they're taking a nap, and I took an opportunity to get a ride out here to this creek and have an opportunity to get picked up on the other end. So I took it, and I'm walking it. It's not near as old as the stuff that we've been finding, but I'm walking up to a dump that started in the 1920s, and it's been abandoned for several years. It's owned by a friend of mine who I got permission from, so I'm looking forward to getting up there. But on the way, we should find some interesting stuff, and I got some stuff already, so let's take a look at it. I can't pass up one of these mentholatums ever. I don't know why, but I can't. It's in good condition. Clean up good. So anyways, there's that. Put that in my pocket. Got this little doodad here. Nice little bottle for somebody. Anyway, got that. Nice little bottle. And on the way here, about 20 yards back, I found this bad boy. Now, you know, not much. When you look at it, you know it's a Miller Pony. I've drank a lot of them, but the cool thing about this one is, look at here. You see the holes? It's a Miller Pony salt and pepper shaker with the little plastic lid. So we're gonna take that home. At least take the plastic lid home for sure. Maybe we can find another Miller Pony. As you see on the back, I think we got an 85, so 1985, not too old there. So anyway, but we got this ahead of us, and if I find anything interesting, I'll get back with you. All right, that was interesting back there. I gotta take everything to higher ground. Got my money in this bottle. I'm putting this in here. In my backpack up high. Got my puff bar. It got wet. My canned chew went downriver. But the water felt good. Let you guys take a look at it. There it was. There's a deep spot right there. It got, as you can see, the water level is nipple deep, and the mud is knee deep. But we're starting to find some more glass here. I'm starting to see a little more glass coming from the dump. It's about a mile ahead of me, so I better get after it. We'll get back to you. All right, hey, Ian back. This sandbar's produced pretty good for me in the past, and I thought we might walk a little bit, take a little page out of Exploring Alabama's playbook, and we'll walk, and I see a couple interesting things in front of me, so we'll see what we find. Turn you around, you can take a look at this stuff. So we got this beach sandbar. Water's too dirty. If it's a deeper than a foot, you can't see the bottom. So I've been feeling around with my feet. So we'll walk on up here. Of course, we got the old staple of Linn County there, a little Natty Light can, of course. Sort of stinking dead vermin right there. But we got us a screw top here. Obviously not all that old, but let's wash it off and take a look at it here. See, the water's kicking along pretty good. You gotta watch out, you'll sink. Oh shoot, it's got something on the back of it too. All right, let's see. There's the usual business there on the front. Let's see if I can get this water out of here. Ooh, the water's hot. So, there you go, the usual federal warning there and patents and whatnot down here at the bottom. It says old 1889 brand. Nowhere near 1889, but same thing there and there. And it's got numbers on the bottom. It's got 64 and a 72, so, and then I believe D9, that's a patent number, so maybe let's just say it's 1972. We'll take that today. All right, let's see what else we can roll up on. I saw this from a distance and I was excited about it because I like the green ones. There we go. It's made in Illinois. I'm not sure how those numbers transpire or how they work out. Maybe that's a 36, maybe it's 1936. I don't know. But that is a pretty cool bottle there. I like it. It's gonna have to come home too. Christy likes the green ones. I have to put these in my backpack in a minute. Whew, that animal stinks. That's what you get walking cricks in Missouri. It ain't like down south where you get all the clean water. Seems like down there. Little mayonnaise jar, screw top mayonnaise jar or something there. That's a big old felled tree right there. Probably been here in this creek for hundreds of years. Seashell. Oh, hey, oh. Pencil lid. Ain't much left of that one. It's all used up. I don't think I'll. Yep. I don't think I'll take it home. I think she's done. Water's moving a pretty good clip right through here. See some broken glass right there in front of us. I think I see a whole jar up here. Looks like a broken catch up there. And a big screw top whiskey there. Looks like a fifth or something. Like I said, this water's just too dirty to see through, so you might as well hunt the sides. Waste your time. Like right in here, that's 6 inches deep. You can see there. Let's see what we got here. To be honest with you, I kind of like the looks of that. Huh. Oh well. I'm going to take that with us. Let's come in. Maybe a 54 model there. Kind of Art Deco-ish. I like it. Maybe we'll do something with that. Or maybe somebody else would like it. I don't know if it quite fits in my collection, but anyways, really what we're looking for is some sodas. We're going to run in some sodas up here, sticking out of the bank, and a little Pepsi bottler. Dumped a bunch of them up here, and it's a pretty neat deal. But let's see, we're about to the end of our sandbar here. Got a few things here. Broken beer bottle. Hey, we'll stay after here for a minute. That broken bottle there. Wash that. Any of you guys walking creeks know this sand will wear your butt out, boy. Check out the other side of the sandbar real quick, and whew, I'll fall back in the drink. That's not too old. Definitely trashy. Mountain Dew bottle broke. Really, we're looking for those Art Deco sodas. The ACLs in here are going to be. There goes a blue heron. Oh, another green one. You see her down there? We're gonna have to have that green one. If she's all there. And it is. It's a Duraglass. Let's wash it off a little bit. That's pretty green, emerald green. Anyways, there's the bottom if anybody knows how to tell how old that stuff is. I'm just sweating all over my phone. Anyways, we're gonna get up here to the dump. I'm gonna shut you guys off and get up there to the dump and wipe the sweat off my face, get a drink of water, put these bottles away, and I'll get back to you. From northern Missouri. Well, I sweated on my phone enough I can't even shut it off. Let's try that again. Alright, well sometimes it pays. Talk a little louder here so you can hear me because of the water. Sometimes it pays to have a little rear end, and I got it because I trucked across that, didn't have much trouble. But I think it might have floated a smaller man right on down. So I got over here, we got some stuff here. Big old white glass deal there. Broken teacup. Some sort of bottle there. Analka. That's what it says all the way around it. Screw top. 3-tab screw top. That's cool. So we got another one here. Another one of these little guys. I like those, so I generally keep them stowed in the backpack. I thought I saw a green one up here. There it is. The top one. What's that got on it? Hold on a second here. Hey guys, we'll have to check this out. There's no place to do it, but this has got beads in it or something, some sort of black onyx type beads, like a necklace broke and they put it in this, and well, that's cool. That's really cool. I can't wait to get that home and show Christy. She'll like that. Kendra might even. Oh, there's a bigger bead in there. Yeah, that's cool. Wow, I found somebody's beads. Well, let's keep looking here. A lot of broken stuff. Oh, I did pick up this little guy. Look at that little dude. Like me a minute ago, trying to cross that, holding on to the tree. Alright, let's see what else we got. Water's moving a little fast here. We're going. I don't know if you'll be able to see. There's a broken bottle there. You'll be able to see it. You see that railroad bridge over there? There's no little waterfall underneath that, and that's, as soon as we get past that, we're at the dump. So we got down here rock, old rock, piece of white glass, milk glass. All right, that looks like about it here. I'll get back to you in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and make my way across that again and put my backpack on and get over on the other side and get on up there to the dump. We'll see you in a minute. All right, I'm gonna give you a little preview. I made it to the dump. A little preview of what I'm gonna be looking at here. Let's see what we got right here. As you can see, we got bottles. A lot of them are broke, but we got bottles. for days. We got a layer right here. Hey, we got a croc right there. Ooh, it's muddy right there. We got a croc right there, it looks like, guys. We got a killer layer of bottles here. It runs, oh hell ways. Let's see what we got right here. That's a broken Brookfield bottle. Let's see if this is a full one. That's a broken one as well. Got an Art Deco bottle here, broken quality. Let's see what we got here. That Brookfield bottle broke. We got bottles there. I see Brookfield, Brookfield. I believe that's a croc right there. Well, it's muddy. Look at this layer, guys. You think I'm kidding? I ain't kidding. Oh, that's a full bottle, feels like. Can't tell what that is, though. It says Mission Cherry, I think. We'll find out. We'll dig it out for sure. There's a 1940s Pepsi right here. Broke with embossing. See there? So we'll get our digger out here. Oh, look at this, guys. Wow. If that's all that's gonna be, look at the grapes on that. We got 2 or 3 of those right here. We got all kinds of whiskey flasks right there. And this continues on down. Got a green bottle there. Who knows what's underneath here. This slid off. Oh yeah, look at the glass down here. Look at that. That whole layer slid off from up there. Wow. We walked over top of a lot of bottles getting here, apparently. But yeah, that's what we got to look forward to. See if we can pull anything else out real quick. A little live action. You know, I'm gonna get my digger out and start digging. I'll try to set this camera up so you can watch some of it. All right, we'll get back to you. Ian with Little Dirty Diggers, and got the cleanup from my creek walk the other day. Well, if you made it this far, you realize there's not a lot of footage of me once I reached the dump, and that's because I was going to swamp out my phone, and I'm fat, and I was sweating terribly. It was hot, 90 degrees. I was in the creek, I was wet, so I just didn't get my phone out when I got there. So I know I got a little footage of the dump itself, and you got to see the layer, but I'll let you look at some of these bottles. Most of them are going to be, 1940s, 50s, stuff like that. Oh, and also I cut the crap out of my finger last thing, which is always smart. Take gloves with you. It makes sense. So let's look and see what we got here. I found a lot of flasks. I found a nice layer of flasks. Most of the bottles were broken, all the sodas, and by the time I got there, I was tired, and I did find this soda, kind of a Art Deco type. It does say Mission Dry Corp on the bottom. Don't know what that is, but it's kind of a cool little crown top. Probably 1940s, I'd say, because I found it right next to this Pepsi, which on the bottom, I'll show you. It doesn't have a town date, but says, I think it says 47 or 42 or something like that. Let's see what it says. It's got a date on there of 42. So That may or may not be right. I'm not sure. So let's start here with the flasks. With this nice flask. Christy got them really clean. The Ambrosia Company.
Oh, it's getting really dark behind.
That's it?
No, it's dark.
Can you see it now? Look. Ambrosia Company. It's a nice Art Deco type flask. Alright, the next one is going to be smaller flask. It says National Distillery, Distillers on the bottom. Then one that you saw that I dug on tape, or I found on tape, that's the old 1889 brand. Then I got the old Quaker.
It's catching some light there.
Yeah, you can see it good. No problem. Alright, then I got several bottles of wine flasks. It says wine. All of them say wine on the bottom of them. Not sure exactly what that means. They're 1 pint. You got the pretty grapes on them.
You have to hold them up to the light or something.
Right here.
I know, but look, it looks dark. See?
Yeah, but they can see it. Try it here. Is that better?
No, maybe. We're going to get some better lighting.
A better camera would help. So we got that one. Then this one. These say Frisco Wine Company, St. Louis, Missouri. That one does. Okay. And then Bardenheier, I guess. And they're all a lot. I mean, if you look at these side by side, these are identical besides the embossing portion right there. Well, and of course, the Frisco wine down here. And I thought this one, I thought I had 3 of them the same, but I just now looked, and this is called Caledine Wine Company, St. Louis, Missouri, and Frisco Wine Company, and these are identical bottles.
I thought they were the same bottle.
I thought they were. Well, we have 2 the same. Here's another one I found. That's the Caldina Wine Company, St. Louis, Missouri. So I do have 2 of them that are the same. And that's it on the flask. Well, no, we got one more. And I just grabbed this one because it was the only amber one I found. It didn't have anything. It just got the federal law, half pint, cleaned up good. So it's a good little flask. Same age. You saw me pull this out. That's my Miller Salt Shaker. My Miller Pony. I don't drink anymore, so somebody could send me one with a label. That'd be nice. I got this, the Ann Alka. It says Ann Alka top and bottom script all the way around it. Really like that one. A Sorbine Jr. Some sort of liniment. 4-ounce bottle. It says 4 ounces here on the back. You getting the whole bottle in?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. I got this one. It's got a lid. It's a nice Art Deco med. I kind of like that. It's got the, I don't know what you call it, whatever the hell that is, and it's got the measurement on the front. There's another little Art Deco. It's kind of got a little drop, water droplet on both sides there, and it's concave, convex. Pretty neat. That's what I have my money in, so it wouldn't float off down the river creek when it got too deep. Found this little green guy. Found this little amber dude. This one is probably one of my favorite bottles from the dig. I'm sure it's a Vicks type. This one says Jergens on it, because I can't pass one of these up for some reason. Got a little, this one is Mentholatum. It didn't clean up all that good. It's kind of stained up a little bit. And I got this little Art Deco jar type. (1940s). And I got my little guy. A little hanging on to a tree as I cross the creek guy. I think that, well, no, there was one other one. Where did it end up?
Your glass beads.
Where are they at? I left them out here for Kendra. Oh, here they are. So remember I showed you guys those. I'll pull those out now that we're somewhere we can look at them. But they're all glass beads. And they got the little hole at the end of them. We'll have our daughter make a little bracelet out of them. That's pretty cool. Found them in that jar there. I don't know how many. I thought there was crap in the jar, and when I went to shake it out, I shook a few of them out of there, so I don't know how many I lost. But I got that many, enough to have a little bracelet out of it. But anyways, I think that is all from the creek walk, besides the bum finger. But we're busy this week. I don't know if we're gonna get to the dump, or it's hot. It's hot here in Missouri. So we're going to try to get out there and dig some more bottles. We got a ton of bottles to clean up. So, one way or the other, we're going to put another video out this week. It's probably maybe just going to be a bunch of cleanup bottles. Each time Christy and I go, we show you guys a cleanup of 25 bottles. But that's just what she packed in her little bag, not counting my backpack, her backpack, if we carry a bucket. So I got 200 bottles out in the driveway ready to get cleaned up. And some of them are good ones. There's some really nice ones in there. So, stay tuned to our videos, like and subscribe. And we'll see you from the dump or from the creek. And thanks for watching.